So here is another question which I'm picking from the internet and answering them. Basically, one person has asked that a client has given me a website, I mean his website basically, and asking me, give me a marketing plan. So in that case, how to proceed? So the first step we have to do is go to that website and make sure that just see the website, want to understand what exactly which business your client is in. Maybe it might be a local business or it might be into some other thing. So understand that business properly. So once you understand the business, you'll be able to find keywords related to that business. Maybe if you're talking about a cloth business, a fashion brand wherein they sell sweaters for men. So in that case, you could be able to see that they are into sweaters, and you have to just keyword. You take the keyword sweaters from men or whatever it is, and Google it, and see who is coming on top. Note their names or their website details and check their website as well. So see what best. Why they are coming on top, because they would have done good SEO work, or they might have they might be a little famous or brand or something. So check what they are doing, how they are doing. So once you do that, note what is something which is not there in your business client's website versus compared to your other the website where you got the details from. So compare that and keep it aside. So that's the first thing we have to do when you get your client's website thing for doing. So the second thing which you can do is, you have from the Facebook itself, you have a tool wherein you can go and search the advertisement. So basically, what is it called? It's called as Facebook Ads Library. So if you go to Facebook Ads Library and search for similar keywords, any businesses for that matter which your client is doing, so you'll be able to see what are the ads running on that related business. So you can see what are the ads are running, how they are doing, how the advertisement is there. So you can take those ads and there will be an idea, or there'll be a strategy behind advertising, right? So if you're seeing ad copy, you can at least understand, click those ads, go to their social media page, how they are doing it. So based on all that data which you get, then you can make a plan, understand their audience, who are their audience, how your competitors are serving those audience. Understand all that, and upon that you will be able to craft perfect strategy which will fit your client, because it has to be something unique which your competitors are not doing, or something very useful which your competitors are getting very much value from that, and that's why they are doing advertising and all those things. So make sure you understand your market well, and then you suggest some plan accordingly to the client, saying that okay, this is what your competitors are doing, this is what others are doing, this is what the ads they are running. So give them some complete picture and complete analysis wherein they understand clearly, so that you'll be another level. You can give your report very well once with all the details and all the action plans. Thank you.